Welcome back, everybody. This is the fourth video to share pictures from our trip to Japan. Since we've got over 5,000 of them, I'm splitting them up into separate videos for each day. Hope you enjoy. By this point, waking up early without an alarm had become a habit. We woke up early yet again, sending out our normal summary and making calls to family and friends. We wanted to go to the Nissan Heritage Museum, but found out it was at least 2 hours away with 3 transfers, or a super expensive taxi. Since we were supposed to meet up with my sensei in the afternoon and didn't want a chance being late, we decided to go wandering instead. We made our way over to Tokyo Skytree. It was a little expensive for our tastes for going up in the tower, just for a view of the city, so we ended up walking around the lower part instead. I did take a picture outside the Kirby Cafe, but they didn't have any openings in time for when we need to leave. Since there wasn't time for the Kirby Cafe, we hit up a restaurant that billed itself as offering fare from Okinawa. It was delicious. We had gyoza, spam and egg onigiri, and some yakiniku. Afterwards, we passed by the Bandai Museum, and while we didn't have time to go in, I did take some pictures with some fairly famous characters. Put it in the comments if you recognize them. Later on, we met up with my sensei, who I'd been studying with for about a year and a half. We met up at Asakusa Station, which gave me good practice with organizing a meetup based on place and time, including specifying which of the station entrances to meet up at. He was super nice and treated us to monjayaki, which is kind of like okonomiyaki, but more liquidy, and then some mochi at a dessert place. It was really, really cool getting to meet him in person. The three of us talked about our experience so far in Japan, everything we've been looking forward to, what our plans were for the rest of the trip, that kind of thing. We also gave him some souvenirs for him, his wife, and his daughter from our local area. We went back to the hotel briefly to do some laundry since we were leaving the next day. While waiting for our load to finish, we found that the hotel had free drinks in the lobby. Did not know that the first couple days. So I tried some umeshu, a plum liqueur, which I found I absolutely loved. After dinner, we went into a pachinko parlor, but it was a total disaster. I was doing something wrong, but didn't know what, and the machine kept talking loud, like really loud. Even though the whole arcade was buzzing with really loud noise, I still felt like I was being obnoxious by it repeatedly telling me something, I don't know, about turning the knob left. Couldn't figure it out. I started to panic and felt like I was bothering people, even though I was not the loudest thing in the room. So we left without playing the full 1,000 yen, which I think at the time was about $7. We walked over to take a picture of Wendy's for my grandpa, who loves Wendy's and was surprised that they would have American restaurants in Japan. Then took the train back to the hotel, turn in for the night, and get ready for our trip to Shizuoka the next day. Well, that's it for this video. If there's anything you want to know more about, put it in the comments below. I'll post the next video tomorrow, so make sure to like and subscribe for more.